So what is leaky gut and how do I know it was real? Once upon a time, I thought maybe it's not real, maybe it's a myth. You know, there's many things that people talk about, but today I'm going to tell you how I found out that leaky gut is actually a real thing. And if you want to know about it, please stay and watch this video until the end. And if you are keen, please subscribe. Anyways, down to business. So leaky gut. I was coaching somebody back in 2015. This woman told me one time, hey, you know what? Everything I did today, everything I put today in my smoothie was healthy, but I felt like really bad. She didn't say really bad. She said like a really bad word. But anyways, she said she felt bad in a way. Anyways, I checked the ingredients of what she ate, what she put in her smoothie, and it was like hemp seeds, flax seeds, blueberries, and all of this stuff, right? So I checked, and everything she was putting in had a lot of insoluble fiber. You might know there's like 3 types of fiber. We got resistant starch, like the one found in sweet potatoes, We got insoluble fiber, like for example, pineapple or the peel of a corn. And its fiber, voila, insoluble. It goes from one end to the other, untouched. And maybe it's good for people who are like constipated or, anyways. But soluble fiber we got as well. And soluble fiber is, let's say, bioavailable fiber. What does this mean? That it goes to your bloodstream. For example, we get the soluble fiber from oats, beta-glucan. It goes into your bloodstream and it removes the buildup of cholesterol plaque. But I'm not going to talk about this right now. What I want to tell you is about leaky gut. So anyways, I see the recipe of this woman, the recipe or whatever she was eating in her smoothie that day. And I noticed that everything, it was very high in insoluble fiber. And she had told me that she was told by doctors that she had leaky gut, leaky brain, like all of these things. And she just couldn't find an answer anymore. She was just all over the place trying to find a solution. So anyways, I checked everything and I was like, it started to make sense, I was like, oh, of course, it's like, let's say you get like a little scratch on your skin. And that little scratch, you grab fiber to wash the dishes and then you scrub that little scratch every single day. Or if you want it, once a week. The thing is, that scratch will never heal, right? In your lifetime, right? Because you keep scratching it on a daily basis. So your skin, much like the tissue on your gut, it's connective tissue. Therefore, it's more or less the same approach. Like if you keep scrubbing the lining of your gut, it keeps being damaged and eventually cause like more and more problems, From leaky gut with autoimmune problems down to ulcers, Crohn's disease, and all the way till the end, colon cancer, for example, Could be. So my point is, like, if you want to heal leaky gut, my suggestion regarding my experience, I make a leaky gut retreat for 3 days and people are on a diet of soluble fiber. What does this mean? You remove all of the insoluble fiber of everything you're eating. So put in the blender, pineapple, cucumber, ginger, all the anti-inflammatory ingredients you can think of. I put turmeric with black pepper, And you will need a bag for like a strainer. So I use a nut milk bag. You strain all of the insoluble fiber and then you drink all of the soluble fiber. And not only you are removing the insoluble fiber, but you're also able to, let's say, eat 2 pineapples in one go, in one day, which it's almost impossible to do, right? And by this, you're also taking, let's say you have certain amount of micronutrients. For example, in pineapple, you get something called bromelate, which is an anti-inflammatory enzymes, which also helps to break down proteins. And you get like a much higher amount of this micronutrient, which helps you reduce the inflammation in your gut. If you put ginger, anti-inflammatory, pineapple, anti-inflammatory, you put cucumber, contains something called silica, which is more or less like a glue. And it helps kind of like, let's say, glue any injuries in your connective tissue in your gut. So You can do your research for anti-inflammatory ingredients of your choice. This is the ones that I used for my retreats. You're welcome to come join us for my retreat, but otherwise I'm very happy to do an online coaching session for you. Feel free to check the link down below or just try this at home. I hope this video really helps you in your journey to heal your gut and feel better. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, to see more videos like this. I'm trying to post healthy recipes, vegan recipes, vegetarian recipes, healthy recipes that you can make at home with very basic ingredients, and they are delicious. Honestly, they're life-changing, guys. So stick to our channel. Please subscribe so you can receive notifications from new videos. I have a busy life, so I'm not able to post way too often, so don't worry, you won't be bothered too often with new videos, but I try to give you good content and good quality that can actually improve the quality of your life. So have a good day. Ciao.